Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be my first indie day video. So I'm really excited. If you guys don't know what indie day is or anything like that, then tune into my last video because I explained it over there. So yes, as you can tell by the title, again, we're going to be reviewing the Glamlite Pro Paint Palette. So yes, I just got this in the mail yesterday, so I already told myself as soon as it comes in the mail, I'm going to be recording a video on it. So yeah, like any other review video, I will leave timestamps below just in case you guys are here for a specific reason. So yeah, the tutorial will be at the beginning of the video, and then I will go ahead and go into the portion of me reviewing the palette and just giving you guys my overall thoughts on it. So yeah, if you guys like to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm really excited. Then again, I just don't even know. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, this look is not how I envisioned it to come out. And usually when my looks don't come out like how I envisioned it, I don't consider it cute or good, in my opinion. I don't know. It's starting to grow on me just a little bit, but it's just when I have something so like set in my head and it doesn't look exactly how it was in my head, it's just like I don't really like it. But hopefully you guys do. I don't know what vibe this look is even giving me, but this is just what I came up with. So yeah, I wanted to use colors that I don't really use often. I did end up using some pinks and stuff, but that was like on the lower lash line, but that was just so I could use as many colors as I can in the palette and give you guys a good solid review. I just basically wanted to use colors that I don't normally use. So yeah, that's mainly like the greens and the blues and like deep purples and stuff like that. So that's basically what this look consists of. So yeah. So yeah, with that being said, I just had to get that off my chest because it was bothering me. Hopefully you guys like the look. That's really all that matters anyway. I really want, you know, you guys to like the look and just, you know, get intrigued on how this palette works. So yeah, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into the review. Okay, you guys, so this is what the original paint palette, god damn, okay, it's a little huge. Okay, so this is what the original palette that they came out with looks like. It comes in this huge box, and I feel like this is the PR packaging. I could be wrong, but I really do feel like this is the PR packaging. Obviously I'm not on their PR list yet, but yeah, so I think like everybody will get this kind of box if you order it. So yeah. This is what it looks like, and it has the, y'all, I'm struggling. Oh my God, like what the hell? Okay, oh Jesus, I don't wanna mess up my makeup. Okay, so, oh, okay, so maybe this is like a little better. So it comes with this Glamlite paper on it. And this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. And not only that, you guys, it comes with a brush. Now, this is the type of brush I would not use to apply eyeshadow, but I would use this to blend out like my eyeshadow base or do like some nose contour. So yeah, I really thought that was a beautiful touch to the packaging. And yeah, this is more of like your standard basic colors that you need in like your color wheel, anything like that. This reminds me a lot of the James Charles palette for some odd reason. I might can do a comparison, who knows? But yeah, this is really nice. However, I didn't want to use this palette, at least not in today's look. So this is the second palette that it comes with. This is the Paint Pro palette, which this is the palette that I use in today's video. So when you open it, it comes like this. Now this palette is smaller than the original one, which I really like. I feel like this is a lot more easier to store. It's just overall easier to just hold and to, you know, show you guys and to store and everything like that. So I definitely prefer this size over the original one, but it's fine. Either way, they're still really nice and it's very creative. I really love the packaging. Painters like theme, whatever, it's really nice. I really do like it a lot. So another thing that I love about its packaging is the fact that the lid, it goes all the way back. I really like that for some odd reason. I hate when palettes come out with stuff that you really can't, you know, bend all the way back. I don't know, it's just more convenient, it's more comfortable for me. So yeah, I really do like that. And honestly, you guys, I'm kind of all over the place. I don't even know if I stated that this is the portion where we're going to be reviewing the packaging. If you guys are new to my channel, I like to review my palettes in 4 categories. First is packaging, second is pricing, color selection, and performance. Now it varies as far as the order, but yeah, that's pretty much what I like to do here on my channel. So yeah, that's what we were discussing just now. I don't even think that I said that like in the beginning before I even started talking about it. So yes, it definitely gets 5 hearts out of 5 for me for the packaging. So I guess now, since we already talked about its packaging and everything, and I showed you guys what the palette looks like, we can just go ahead and go into color selection. So color selection basically means just the overall shades and the range of the colors and the finishes. So that's basically what we're going to be reviewing for this portion. So it does come with 11 mattes and 6 shimmers, which I feel like that is a really great range. I love how palettes come out with more mattes than shimmers, because you know, you kind of need more mattes than shimmers if you really think about it. Because mostly you never really see like an all shimmer kind of look. Like you definitely can, but it's just very rare. So I feel like matte shades are a little bit more essential than shimmers. So I feel like you definitely need more mattes than shimmers, but a really good range, a good mix. And that's what this palette does have. So I really like that. Also, I really love the colors, as far as the undertones of this palette. As you can see with the first one was kind of more of like your basic standard colors that you'll need in like a rainbow wheel. But this one is more like your warmer, more tropical kind of shades. So I really like that about this palette. And yeah, I really do feel like it's just an overall good range. So I would rate it 5 hearts out of 5 for its color selection. So I feel like you guys seen the palette enough, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put it down. So next we're going to be talking about performance. Now the performance was actually really good. I was very impressed. Now I did watch a lot of reviews before I ordered this palette, so I really wasn't expecting any less. I had already seen how it performs on other people, so you know that wasn't really like an issue or like a worry for me. The main thing that I would really love to shed light on this palette about is its blendability. I feel like a lot of palettes kind of lack that. You know, they come out with a palette and it's just a lot of shades don't really work well with each other, or you have to like really figure out what shades will go, you know, better with other shades. And I feel like as a eyeshadow palette, you shouldn't really have to do that. I feel like an eyeshadow palette should be made to be able to blend in with all the colors together. So yeah, that's exactly what this palette did. They were very opaque, very pigmented, and very easily blendable, which I was very excited about. Those are pretty much the main things that I look for in an eyeshadow palette anyways, so it definitely came through on that aspect, which I'm very happy about. So yes, this palette does get 5 hearts out of 5 for its performance. So for pricing, I feel like this is the second time in a row that I've done this, but I cannot remember the pricing to save my life. Like I said, I did get this in a holiday bundle, so of course it was going to be a little bit cheaper versus to just, you know, purchasing the palettes separately. And you get also 2 brushes with the palettes. That's if you, even without the bundle, you still get those 2 brushes if you get the 2 palettes separately. Then it also came with something else as well. It came with this beautiful waterproof liquid liner. You guys, this is crazy because I've been wanting to get a new liquid liner for forever. Like, I don't know if you guys even noticed, but I have not worn a wing liner in so freaking long, just because, as you guys will probably know, NYC discontinued their liquid liner, and that was my favorite liner ever. I remember like a few years ago they said that they were going to be discontinued, and it was still around for a couple of months, so I was just like, let me just take advantage of this and buy like 5. But eventually that runs out, so eventually I was going to have to find another liquid liner, and I just haven't, because I just feel like I just did not find anything as close as great as that was. So yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. It comes in a box like this, and it is bomb. First of all, I honestly, if you guys are familiar with the NYC liquid liner, it's more of like a brush applicator, yet this one is more of a felt tip. First of all, I don't know, I just feel like this is just so luxe. It just looks so expensive looking. Like this packaging right here it's like velvet. It's like really nice. I don't know. And then it comes like in this rose kind of thing, this rose gold packaging, and it's like just a fancy pen that like people used to write back in like the fucking 1500s, some shit. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this is what the tip looks like as well. So it's more of like a felt tip, which I don't really like applicators like this, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but the fact that it's so thin and it's so precise, I was able to just, you know, do the line with no problem. I feel like I need a brush that's more flexible. That way when I go to make my wing, it's not too stiff, and I like, you know what I'm saying, I can flow with it a lot better. But the fact that this is so pigmented, the slightest touch, you get the most pigmented outcome. It's insane. Like, I can show you guys right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so thin, so precise, yet it's super black. It's waterproof and it dries down to a matte finish. And it's just amazing. It's so pigmented. So yes, you guys, I love how they added that in the bundle. I did use it in today's video to just line my lash line, but that was it. I didn't want to do a wing or anything. So yeah, kind of just had to throw that in there a little bit because I almost forgot to mention that. But yeah, back to the pricing. I will have everything listed on the screen. Like I said, I did get that, all of that stuff that I just showed you guys in a holiday bundle. And I believe the original price was like over $100, but I got it for $69. And then obviously, you know, when you're a first time customer, you get a percentage off. So yeah, I ended up doing that. So yes, like I said, all the information will be listed on the screen and in the description box, so you guys know the pricing. But it was definitely worth every single penny, especially because it was on sale. I didn't even get it for the original price. But even if I did get it for the original price, it's definitely worth it. This palette is amazing. I love its opaqueness. I love how the colors blend easily. You do not have to, like, this is something that's perfect for beginners. I feel like when palettes are blendable and they're opaque like this, it's a lot easier for people who are starting out with makeup to use. Because if you use like pressed pigments that you have to use certain bases with and everything like that, it starts to become a little bit more complicated for people who are just starting out with makeup and eyeshadow and stuff. So yeah, I really do appreciate that. So yes, it was worth every penny in my opinion, sale price or original price. So yeah, I give it 5 hearts out of 5 for its pricing. So yes, you guys, this is the end of the review. I am so happy that I made this purchase. I really hope you guys do as well. And if you do, please let me know below how the palette worked for you and how you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.